Which of the following algorithms follows the divide and conquer approach? A. Bubble sort. B. Quick sort. C. Selection sort. D. Insertion sort. The correct answer is option B, quick sort. What is the time complexity of binary search? A. O. N. B. O. Log n. C. O. N log n. D. O. 1. The correct answer is option B, O. Log n. Which algorithm is used in Prim's algorithm for finding the minimum spanning tree? A. Dynamic programming. B. Greedy method. C. Backtracking. D. Divide and conquer. The correct answer is option B, greedy method. Which of the following sorting algorithms has the best average case time complexity? A. Quick sort. B. Merge sort. C. Heap sort. D. Bubble sort. The correct answer is option B, merge sort. Dijkstra's algorithm is used to solve A. Minimum spanning tree problem. B. Shortest path problem. C. Maximum flow problem. D. Job scheduling problem. The correct answer is option B, shortest path problem. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good algorithm? A. Finiteness. B. Ambiguity. C. Input, output. D. Effectiveness. The correct answer is option B, ambiguity. The worst case time complexity of bubble sort is A. O. N log n. B. O. Log n. C. O. N squared. D. O. N. The correct answer is option C, O. N squared. Which of the following data structures is used in depth first search, DFS? A. QB, stack. C. Priority queue. D. Linked list. The correct answer is option B, stack. The traveling salesman problem, TSP, can be solved using A. Divide and conquer. B. Greedy method. C. Backtracking. D. Binary search. The correct answer is option C, backtracking. Which sorting algorithm is considered in place? A. Merge sort. B. Quick sort. C. Radix sort. D. Counting sort. The correct answer is option B, quick sort. The time complexity of merge sort in the worst case is A. O. N. B. O. N log n. C. O. N squared. D. O. Log n. The correct answer is option B, O. N log n. Which of the following is not a greedy algorithm? A. Kruskal's algorithm. B. Prim's algorithm. C. Dijkstra's algorithm. D. Floyd-Warshall algorithm. The correct answer is option D, Floyd-Warshall algorithm. In big O notation, O1 represents A. Constant time. B. Logarithmic time. C. Linear time. D. Quadratic time. The correct answer is option A, constant time. Which algorithm is typically used for balancing search trees? A. Binary search. B. AVL rotation. C. BFS. D. DFS. The correct answer is option B, AVL rotations. The knapsack problem is generally solved using A. Dynamic programming, greedy. B. Divide and conquer. C. Binary search. D. Hashing. The correct answer is option A, dynamic programming, greedy. Which algorithm is based on the principle of exchanging adjacent elements? A. Quick sort. B. Bubble sort. C. Selection sort. D. Merge sort. The correct answer is option B, bubble sort. Which of the following algorithms is used to find strongly connected components in a graph? A. Kruskal's algorithm. B. Kosareju's algorithm. C. Prim's algorithm. D. Dijkstra's algorithm. The correct answer is option B, Kosareju's algorithm. The Tower of Hanoi problem is an example of A. Iterative algorithm. B. Greedy algorithm. C. Recursive algorithm. D. Dynamic programming. The correct answer is option C, recursive algorithm. The Floyd-Warshall algorithm is used for A. Single source shortest path. B. All pairs shortest path. C. Minimum spanning tree. D. Network flow. The correct answer is option B, all pairs shortest path. The time complexity of heap sort is A. O. N. B. O. Log n. C. O. N log n. D. O. N squared.